After you done with HTML, must and should you have to know about CSS. So CSS means stands for cascading style sheets. Cascading style sheets. So using cascading styles, we can describe the look and feel of HTML document. So describe look and feel of HTML document. We can define the layout for the HTML document. Using style sheets, we can describe the look and feel for the HTML document, and style sheet that defines layout of HTML document. So using CSS, so we can apply font, color and margins, and height, width and many more. We can apply the CSS properties using style sheets. Always we have to write styles in style tag only, starting tag and end tag. So use this tag to define our style sheets in HTML document. So we can place style sheets in head section or body section. Suppose one HTML document is there, like doc type HTML and a head section and a head closing tag, and next body end tag and HTML close tag. So we can define styles in HTML document in head section, or in body section. Okay, anywhere we can apply the styles for HTML document. In HTML, three ways to apply the style sheets to the HTML elements. The first one is element selectors. Three types of selectors is there. Second one is ID selector, and third one is class selector. So using these three selectors, we have to apply the styles for any HTML element. Suppose we have one paragraph in our HTML document. So I want to apply background color and text color and font to this paragraph. So these three ways to apply anyone. We can use element selector or ID selector or class selector. Use any one to apply the styles to this paragraph. So first of all, ID selector or element selector. So first of all, element selector, element selector. Element selectors selects elements based on element name. So this using the selector we can identify the element based on element name. Suppose one example using element selector. We have HTML document, HTML tags in this. Suppose one div element is there. Okay, div element. I want to apply background color and height, width for this div element. Okay, sample content here in div element. So in header section we have to use style style tag to define the styles. This is element selector. I am explaining element selector. Based on element name we can apply the styles to the HTML elements. So here I am using element name div. Okay, here see only name is used here, and next background color blue, and color, the color is text color, white color, and height for div element 300 pixel, and width for div element 300 pixels. So save this file. CSS element selector.html. So this file saved in backup desktops and 59 CSS folder. So element selector.html form is this. So run this example. For this div element, so here height and width we have to use semicolons. Semicolons missed here. Okay, so background color is blue and text color is white, and div height 300 pixel and width also 300 pixel. So using element name upload these styles. Okay, div element name. Okay, use element name. Suppose one paragraph is there, sample paragraph. Okay, sample text in this paragraph. Use p element, directly use p element name, and color is red color. So color means text color. Paragraph text color is red color. Okay, see this sample text. This is the paragraph. So paragraph text color is red color. So using element name we have to apply the styles to the HTML document, HTML elements. So this is not good for all the time. Two more types is there. ID selector and class selector also is there. Element selector is not good for all the situations. So because the reason is, suppose we have two paragraphs in one HTML document and two div elements. Okay, two div elements in same document, two div elements and two paragraphs. So these styles will apply for all div elements and all paragraphs in HTML document. Suppose if you want to apply different styles for different each paragraph and each div also, so this is not good for apply different styles. Use ID selector or class selector to apply the different div elements to the different styles. Okay, just for ID selector, second one is ID selector, the ID selector ID attribute of an HTML to select specific element, to select HTML element. ID attribute of an HTML element to select HTML element. Using ID attribute we can define the styles. The small example is here. In same example, two div elements and two paragraphs. I want to apply different styles for different paragraphs and different div elements. So create ID attribute for div elements. Okay, first div ID is the first div, and second div ID second. Okay, and paragraph ID is my para 1. Okay, and second paragraph ID my paragraph 2. So use ID attribute. Okay, save this ID selector dot HTML. So we can apply different styles for these two paragraphs. So for ID selector, use a symbol. Okay, remove. If you are using ID selector, use a symbol to find out the HTML element ID. First div. So a symbol followed by ID of the element, and next open bracket and close bracket, and CSS properties. Okay, background color red, and text color white. Okay, and next for second div, use second ID. Okay, ID div elements ID. Use a symbol and followed by div element ID. So and next background or any property we can use. background color blue, and for paragraphs use id selector, my para 1, and color red, only text color red color will apply. And next, for second paragraph, my para 2 color is yellow. So second paragraph text color is yellow, first paragraph text color is red, and the second div background color is blue, and there is no text color, only background color is will apply. And first div will first div background color and text color white. So run this example, id selector. Okay, see this, for first div, okay, for first div background color red and text color white, so first div. And second div only background color is blue, and next paragraph 1 text color is red, and second paragraph text color is yellow. So using id selector we can upload different styles for different elements. Okay, use a symbol to apply styles based on id attribute. And next, class selector. Class selector. Use class attribute to specify styles to an HTML element. Okay, use class attribute to specify styles to an HTML elements. So we have class attribute for any HTML element. So do see one example. Use class attribute here, class, and here also class, and paragraph also use class attribute, and second paragraph also attribute class. If you are using class selector, use dot. Okay, use dot and followed by class name. And for id selector, use a symbol followed by element id. Okay, a symbol followed by element id. And for class selector, use dot symbol followed by class name. So here just modify, instead of a symbol, dot. Okay, just use dot symbol to apply the class selectors. Okay, save this. Class selector.html form. So if you run this example, same styles will apply here using class selectors. Okay, see this, using class attribute, upload class name here. Okay, see, class name first div, and background color red, color is white, text color. And for second div element, background color is only blue. So you can see the class names in the right side. box and left side box HTML code. If you click on inspect, okay, select particular element to see the class names in right side box. Okay, select first div element to see the class. And next, ID selector, element selector and class selector. Three selectors are completed. So based on three selectors, we have to apply styles. So we can use ID selector or any class selector. And next, text elements. Okay, textile elements. Using textile elements, you can set the horizontal element for any text, like right side or left side or center or justify or any element. Okay, use textile elements to define the horizontal element for text. Okay, for textile elements, you can do one example. Suppose I want to display this text in center align. Okay, for this div element. Okay, or div element or right side or left side. Just use text align property, text align property, and the value is right or left or justify. Okay, left, right, justify or center. You can use any one. Okay, right value or left value or justify or center. So anyone we can use text align. So if you use text align right, the text will display in right side. Elements.html. So run this example, textile elements. So see here, the text will display in right side. So we use the text element property. The value is right. Okay, text element right. So if you use here center property value, the text will display in center align. Okay, by default text align is left side. If you use right or center, it will display in the center element or right alignment. You can use justify also. Justify also display left side only. And one more property is text decoration is there for text elements. Suppose we have anchor tag, one anchor tag, and href equal to empty path, and text is Google. Okay, close. Okay, close anchor tag and save this and run this form. The link will display in underline text. So if you don't want to display underline to this anchor tag, you can write CSS style like a flower bracket and close text decoration none. So the underline is removed from link. So when your mouse hover on the particular link element anchor tag, if you want to display underline for link, use a anchor tag hover and next text decoration property underline. When your mouse hover on particular link, the underline will display. Okay, when your mouse hover on the particular link, underline will display in hover property. Okay, use CSS style a colon hover and text decoration underline. So this is for remove the underline, and this is for display underline when your mouse hover on the anchor tag. And one more CSS concept, text transformation. Text transformation. So using text transformation, you can display the uppercase letters or lowercase letters in text. Okay, using text for use this for display. Okay, uppercase or lowercase letters in any text. Suppose I have one paragraph. In this paragraph I want to display only uppercase letters, okay, using CSS styles. So sample text. So sample text, all characters are in lower lowercase letters. So I want to display all this total text in uppercase. So use text transform property. Text transform property, and value is uppercase. So if you write this property, the text will display in uppercase letters. And if you use lowercase, the total text will display in lowercase letters. Or capitalize. Okay, capitalize. Okay, uppercase, lowercase, and capitalize. Three values is there for text property, text transform property. You can display total text in uppercase, or we can display total text in uppercase. The capitalize property will display each word first letter, in caps letter. Okay, each word first letter will display in caps letter. So here three paragraphs is there in our HTML form. Okay, paragraph 1, paragraph 2, and paragraph 3. So the three classes is there. I'm modifying this style also. Paragraph 1, paragraph 2, and we need to write paragraph 3 style also. Use text transform property. Uppercase. So the first paragraph total content will display in uppercase letters, and second is text color blue, and text transform property, lowercase. So already the text in lowercase paragraph, so it will display in lowercase. So suppose I'm changing here. Okay, sample. Okay, text text, T caps, and MPL is caps. So these characters also display in lowercase, and this is total small letters. Written my paragraph 3 class, and text color is normal. Okay, capitalize property, text transform, value is capitalize. Okay, first paragraph display total text in caps letters. Second paragraph display total text in lowercase letters. Third paragraph display each word first letter will display in caps. Transform. spelling mistake. Transform. So see this first paragraph, total first paragraph already in small letters, but text transform applied uppercase property, so that total text display in uppercase letters. And the second paragraph already caps letters also is there, but that caps letters also converted to lowercase letters. And third paragraph will display first each word first letter display in caps. So use this text transform property to display caps letters or small letters. And next, font families. Use family property use font family property to specify the font type. Font family property to specify font type to any HTML element. Okay, element. Here two types of font families is there. Generic font family. First one is generic font family. And the second one is normal font family. Normal font family. So this generic font family is a group of font families with a similar look. Okay, this is a group of font families with similar look. Similar look font families are generic font family. The font family is specific font family. So this is individual font families. Suppose for example, I want to apply font family for for these three paragraphs. Use font family property. Font family like Times New Roman, Times New Roman. And second property, second paragraph, font family, Arial. Save this family.html. Run this example. Font family. See the difference. This is Times New Roman format, and this is Arial text format. So this is normal text format. So if you check this inspect element, Times New Roman font family, and this is Arial font family. So we can change the font families by removing this. Okay, you can change the value here, monoscope or sans serif or serif. Okay, anything we can change the text font family. If you want more font families, search in Google font families in CSS. Font family list in CSS. So there are different font families available. Font property. There are different font families available. Or font family in HTML. So here different types of fonts available. Okay, we can use any format to apply. Okay, font type. Okay, impact, Coral. Okay, just use copy and paste here. Okay, in our HTML document, copy and paste HTML font family here. So the font family will apply to the particular text. Okay, so this here, practice all these font families. And next, CSS links. In CSS links, using CSS links, you can apply the different styles for anchor elements, like unvisited link or visited link. Okay, first one is unvisited link, second one is visited link, and the third one is hover link, and fourth one is okay active links. So these are the four types available CSS links. First, for example, suppose we have one anchor tag in HTML document, a href equal to and http colon www.google.com. Okay, and next target is okay, target is blank, anchor tag close. Okay, Google. For this anchor tag we can apply four type of styles. First one is unvisited link, use style tag, and next a link, and the text color is red color, and next a colon visited, color is blue. After visit the link, the text color is blue, and after visitor link, mouse hover. When your mouse hover on particular link, the color is yellow color, and after that active. For display the active links, text color is text color okay orange color. Save this. Links.html. So run this form. The first link text color is red color. Whenever mouse hover on particular link, the text color is displayed in yellow color. Okay, after you click on particular link, the text will display in orange color. Okay, it will goes to google.com. So like this we can apply the different styles for particular links, any link. And next topic is CSS comments. Comments are used to explain your code. So using comments, we can explain our code, and if you don't want to display if you don't want to display some block of code, you can put that code in comments. Okay, this is the uses of comments. First one, we can explain the CSS code, and if you don't want to execute some block of code, you can put that code in comments. Comments start with slash star and end with star slash. The between any text, okay, any text in comment. So this text will not execute in the browser. Suppose in this example, I don't want to apply text color and uppercase for this, okay, first paragraph. So I want to put this in comment. So use hash slash and star star slash. So these properties are not applied to will not apply to paragraph. Run this font family. So text color is black because the text color is put in comment, and uppercase also not applied to the particular text. So in future, if you want to use this block of code, you can remove these comments directly and you can use. See here, comments are not execute in the browser, so comments will display in green color. Okay, and run again. So I removed the comment for color and text transform. So these styles are applied, and color text transform also executing here. Suppose you want to explain your code, so what you write here, put that explain description of code in comments. The below my p1 class is for only first paragraph. So like this you can describe your code. And for second class also, slash star star slash. Below code for only second paragraph. So like this we can describe the code. And next one is CSS list. So already yesterday I explained the CSS HTML list like unordered list and ordered list. Okay, in HTML we have two types of list elements. One is ordered list and second one is unordered list. So for this ordered list and unordered list, use type attribute or style attribute to apply the different list style types. So using CSS also we can apply the list style types like square or disk or okay circle or upper Roman or lower Roman for order list. Okay, see one example. We have another list UL and list items. Okay, item 1, item 2, and item 3. Okay, 3 items is there in another list, and one more order list also is there, and here also same list items. For this list items we can apply normal in HTML we can use a style attribute. Okay, style attribute or type attribute. uh, Use type attribute for order list to apply the list style types. For unordered list use style attribute and list style type property to apply the list item styles. So in CSS also we can apply list styles. For UL list style type property. Okay, list style type property use disk or okay circle. For another list style type upper Roman and apply this the list style types will apply for order list and unordered list. List.html. So run this example. So the styles are applied. Okay, first one is circle. We applied for a unordered list. List style type is circle. So circle is applied, and for order list applied upper Roman. So upper Roman is applied. Or we can use lower Roman, or you can use any list style type upper Roman or lower Roman or alphanumeric. And here circle disk, okay, circle disk square or none. So already yesterday I explained these values. In CSS also we can apply list style types for list items. So these are the list list style types. So our today concepts is